Today I'll show you how to change the data overlays on the various chart screens in a Garmin GPSMap 700 series. This is very useful information because you're going to want to set up your maps to your needs so that you can safely navigate the waters. So to do so, first choose the type of map you want to change the overlays on. So go through Home, Charts, and then let's say Navigation as an example. Then we could change any one of these, but first go into Menu, Navigation Chart Setup. Inside here, let's go into Overlay Numbers. And we've got a bunch of things we can change. Right now we have the 4 corners. We could change any one of these corners just by touching them and choosing what we want to change it to. So we'll go Other, Temperature, Outside Air. And choose our source. So let's say we have a NEMA 0183 source for that information. We could even change the way these are laid out on the screen just by using these arrows on the bottom. It's going to cycle through some of the setups, and it will even automatically change what data is shown in some of these overlays. And then you could even have no overlays at all. So I'm going to leave it on this basic setup. Another option we have for each one of these chart screens is our compass tape. Turn that on and we could easily see our heading at the top of the screen. We even have our navigation inset down here. If we go and touch that, it's going to put a bunch of nav info in the top bar there for you automatically. And we could even configure it just by using that bottom button there. And if you want to change, let's say, the fishing chart, you do it in the same way. The menus may read a little differently. So go into Home, Charts, Fishing. Now let's do the menu. This time Fishing Chart Setup and then Overlay Numbers. So that was an introduction to changing the overlays on the Garmin GPSMap 700 series.